Hi, welcome back to my channel, Simply Sweet Sam, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial using only 5 products. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with concealer. So if you watched my BoxyCharm unboxing, you would know that I used that in there. But this is a Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer. I've only used this once and I know that I already love it. So I'm going to be going in with this, and when I used it the first time I didn't even set it and it still looked great throughout the day, so that's why I'm going to be using this one. So I'm just going to take a little bit underneath the eyes and underneath the nose because that's where I get red, in the chin area, forehead, and down the center of the nose. And then I'm going to also just do it on any of my blemishes. And so the reason why I'm not using foundation is because I feel like concealer can at least hide the spots I want to hide. And I feel like for pretty much my face is pretty okay with the complexion. So now that everything is blended out, I'm going to go in with my bronzer. Since I am going to do bronzer and blush, it's just going to cover up my cheek areas anyway, so that's also why I decided to go in with without foundation. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. This is a light medium matte bronzer. And this is just like the trial size. I think I picked this up at TJ Maxx. So I got a pretty good deal on it and wanted to try it out. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in with bronzer. And so cutting back the makeup products you use is good if you are running out of time to get ready, or if you just want to put on something quickly, but don't want to leave your house without just a little bit of makeup. I think that all the products I'm using today do a good job of still like freshening up the face without wearing too much makeup, and it's relatively quick to put everything on. So, and I'm just gonna put some down the nose and then under. And then while I still have my bronzer out, I am actually gonna use this also as an eyeshadow and go in, and then I'm just gonna put this in my crease. And then this also just ties in the colors that are going in the face too, so it makes everything cohesive. You're gonna do it all over the lid. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with my blush. Today I'm gonna be using the Clinique Cheek Pop Blush Pop in the shade 13 Rosy Pop. And I just think this is a great color to use. It's this nice like rose pinky shade. So I'm going to take my blush brush and dip into that and just put this over my cheeks. And I'm actually going to put a little bit of this on my eyes as well. So I'm just going in with that same J Kissa brush just to give it a little bit more of the color. And now it doesn't come out too pigmented, but I like that it just like brings everything I'm using on the face into the eyes as well, so that everything goes nicely together. And so you can see it gives like just a nice natural color to the eyelids. Okay, so that was product number 3. Product number 4 is going to be my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. I'm just gonna put this on my eyes. For me, if I'm gonna put makeup on, mascara is a must. So that's why I chose to do mascara, and I really like this one. And I am gonna do a little bit on my lower lash as well. My last product, which is going to be the Kylie High Gloss in the shade Snatched. And I think that this is a nice gloss, and it does give a lot of color to your lips. Yeah, this is the makeup look. Only 5 products. This definitely didn't take me that long. It looks like I've only been recording for 12 minutes, so probably less than 10 minutes this look took me, and it's just a nice, quick, natural look, and it just shows you that you don't necessarily need all the makeup products in order to have a nice makeup look. So I would definitely wear this if I'm going to run an errand or anything, or just want a nice and quick and simple look. So yeah, I think that this look turned out great. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe for more of my content. And thank you again for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.